Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through an e-commerce store chat agent which is built using VoiceFlow, ConvoCore and Make.com. It's for a sports clothing brand and it's been on their website for more than 1 month now, and it has brought in extra $5,000 in revenue just from their website. The reason why it's so powerful is because when your customers visit your website, they're so confused and paralyzed, so to say, because there are so many products, so many categories. The AI agent works as the salesperson holding their hand, asking them the right questions, and then recommending products based on their preferences. Now I'm going to show you the chat agent on VoiceFlow, but before that, I'll go through add some numbers. It has had about 342 conversations in 1 month and has drove 51 clicks, which as a result brought in extra 5k revenue. And it is far above the click-through rates of e-commerce stores, which is like 2 to 5%, and the chat agent has 14%. So let's go over the voice flow build, and I'll show you the workflows and where all the secret sauces lie, so you can have a similar agent for your client or for your own store as well. All right, let's get into it. The most important workflow here is the product recommendations workflow. I'll share the whole template of the agent, don't worry guys. And let's click on product recommendations now. First, let's have a look at the whole flow. So here we have acknowledgement and asking questions to clear the intentions of the visitors so that we can narrow down their intentions. Then we optimize those questions and intentions for a proper product recommendation retrieval. Then before the retrieval, we have a very nice step where we check that do we need to search the web or not. Uh, for example, some people ask for jersey numbers of live players, like what's the jersey number of Messi right now? What's the jersey number of Ronaldo right now? Right? Those things. So if it is required to search the web, then it uses the OpenAI endpoint to search the web, get relevant information from the web, and then combined with that, we also query the knowledge base, the voice to knowledge base that we have set up using the products from the store, and then it queries the voice to knowledge base, and then it finds out the most relevant products stored in the knowledge base, and then combine that we find the matching products which we found from the knowledge base, store those recommendations and create carousels and show them as carousels along with 1-2 liners, right? Over here, of course, we have some JavaScript code to create the recommendations and create the carousels, right? And from here, we also track the clicks, that on what product did the customer click on, right? This is the main idea of the product recommendations workflow, and this is the driver behind all these kind of conversations. Like my daughter would like a jersey, right? And then it instantly shows the Valti jersey, and it also says, okay, you can order now. To select the right children's size, just click on order now, and boom, they directly click on order now, right? Similarly, here there's a customer who is asking for an Albania travel shirt and just says travel shirt, nothing about the size, right? And then it just says, uh, gives him the Albania travel shirt and says, okay, it's available to select the size, go click on order now, right? Oh, actually, you mentioned the size here, right? That's why it said, okay, size 3XL, right? And boom, order now. He clicks here, right? Let me also click here, right? And over here, boom, you can see the Albania jersey, and then you can select size. If it's available, he can select. If not, then it's his luck, right? So this is basically the driver behind all these kind of conversations where people are clicking on products, ordering product right away from the chat agent, right? Another good thing is that it can give you live order updates, right? If I go here, uh, over here you can see we ask for the order ID or the email address of the customer, and accordingly, if whatever they give, right, we use the API endpoints of the store to find the order statuses. And then of course we have an order agent here which says everything. Okay, this is your order, this is where it is, right? An example I can show you right here, right? As you can see, they gave their email ID and then it gives them the clear order and says that it's processed and you have your order, this is your order, and it will confirm within 24 hours, right? So you can know the status of your order right away. Right. And now this is one of the benefit. And of course, it can answer all those good things like policy questions. It can raise tickets, right? These are the things which are mainly available on all the chat agents you will see in the market, right? This is very important as well. That is why everyone has it, right? You need to be able to have clear understanding of how you can contact support, how you can contact humans, right? Honestly, right? So that's why uh, we have it here, right? But mainly, what I love personally is product recommendations and order statuses, right? It's really helpful for all the customers, right? And one more thing, how we create and update knowledge base is one more thing, good thing as well, right? So always the store, as you might know, when you're working with e-commerce agents, they always have everything updated, let's say in 2 days, 3 days, in a week. They're adding new products, they're removing products, right? So what we did, we also created an automation in Make, which basically every day updates the store or updates the knowledge base of the chat agent with the most latest products from the store, basically. And you should definitely do this for your own store or for your clients, anyone you are working with, right? And here's the automation, right? It's a bunch of API calls. I'm not gonna even open it. If you want the template, just comment down and I'll share the template as well, right? Basically, we are finding active products of each store and then updating the knowledge base of in the voice for agent, right? And this is what we are doing all over, right? It's a bunch of calling the, like over here you can see we have it actually 2 times a day, twice a day, right? So it has like it is updating all the latest product twice a day to the agent, so it is also giving the correct information all the time, right? This you should definitely do if you're setting up a agent for any e-com store, right? Next, what I wanted to highlight is this Convo Core agency part and white labeling part, right? This is actually super beneficial. Over here you can have analytics, share this with your clients directly. As you can see, this is the past 24-hour analytics, right? You can share this with your client, that they can see clear analytics of the chats, conversations. Of course, over here we have the transcripts, right? It gives the clear transcripts, literally a step-by-step transcripts, right? You can go one step ahead, add user IDs and capture names and numbers directly over here, right? So these things, transcripts and analytics, I think are the best here, and this would also help you increase the pricing or have your clients on retainer for showing these transcript analytics. You can just directly share this dashboard with the client, right? It's completely white labeled, and you can white label it to your company, and then you can share this with your client and directly say, okay, here's your custom dashboard, right? Enjoy. Right. So these are all the benefits that I have provided my client as well. We charge 2.5k dollars for the whole setup, and we also charge them a $200 retainer for what we said. We provide this to our client as well, right? And every month they pay us 200 for this, and this costs like combined costs us like $50 on Convo Core. So of course we are making a bit of profit there as well, right? That's about it, guys. You can find the template in the comments down below via Gumroad. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will answer them all. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.